Exercise number 1, lunge. Step forward with one leg, lower your body until both knees form 90 degrees, then push back to the start. Keep your chest up and core tight. This move targets your quads, glutes, and balance. Stay steady. Exercise number 2, glute bridge. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and push through your heels to lift your hips up. Squeeze your glutes at the top, then lower down slowly. Control every rep. This move isolates and strengthens your glutes. Exercise number 3, jump squat. Drop into a deep squat, then explode upward with power. Land softly and go straight into the next rep. Keep your core tight. This builds explosive strength and burns calories fast. Exercise number 4, standing calf raise. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart, lift your heels off the ground, and squeeze your calves at the top. Hold for a second, then lower slowly. Simple but powerful for strong, defined calves. Exercise number 5, squat. Keep your feet shoulder width apart, chest up, and lower your hips back and down. Push through your heels to rise up. Control your movement. This is the foundation of lower body strength.